What we have in here? Let's see what we got. Oh my! Hi darlings, welcome back once again to another video, and also welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is okay. Yes, I'm doing great as well. Yeah. Before we go straight into today's video, let me say a big thank you to those of you who wished me happy birthday on my birthday. Oh, darlings, you're so amazing. Do you know what? Pardon my voice, okay? It's so early here, very early in the morning. After I drop off Gerald to school, I decided to, just put this on and do this quick video. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for the well wishes. Yeah. I can't thank you guys enough. Yeah, so amazing. Thank you so much. Yeah, we are in the Christmas spirit, so I have my red lipstick on. Oh, darlings, yeah. So first I'm going in to show you guys, what I got for myself on my birthday. Yeah, the gifts I got for myself. First, we'll go with this. Yeah, I love perfumes. Yes, I do love perfumes. So I have this Giorgio Armani and my way. Let me show you how it looks. As I said, pardon my voice. I'm having a bit of cold and all that. Yeah, so this is it. I got this for myself, the set, and I'm loving it. I'm gonna add to my perfume collection. So yeah, let's first go ahead and see how this is gonna smell on us. Oh my. And I got this Michael Kors earring as well. I love jewelry. So this is how it looks. See it? Can you see it? So cute, super cute. I got this and also this earrings as well. As I said, I'm a jewel fan. I love jewelry, so yeah, I got this as well. These are the few things I got for myself, and then this is what I got from a sister of mine. Oh babe, I'm doing unboxing, please. I got from sister of mine. So you're going to unbox this one. I haven't unboxed it because you guys, I wanted to show you all what we have in here. Wow. What we have in here. Let's see what we got. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Wow. Wow. Oh, they seriously know me. I love this. I love this. See how happy I am. I so love this, darlings. Oh, super cute. Super cute. And what again? Okay, so I got this as well. From my sister as well. Ooh. Ooh. Let's open this hamper, okay? Let's go ahead and open this hamper. Ooh. Just look at. Oh. Yes. Wow. 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 What do we have in here? What do we have in here? Goodies, goodies. Oh, oh, look at these dollars. Hey. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Cubes. Baloko cubes. Hazelnuts. Yeah, I love nuts. Whew. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Darlings. Darlings. Diffuser. I've got, oh, read this diffuser. Oh my days. This is so pretty. Look at this. Look at this. Let me put this one down and show you guys. Can you see it? Oh, how is it? I don't even know how they do it. Can you see it? It's so beautiful. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Yes, darling. Yes, darling. So this is it. So happy. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. And we've got this as well. Chocolate. Yeah, milk chocolate. Oh. Ooh, 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 ooh. And what again? Do you know what? Let's taste this one. Okay, let's taste this. Let's go ahead and taste this. Let's taste. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's taste it. Take a bite. Yes. What do I know about her? Baby, have it. Oh wow. Have a bite. So yummy. So yummy. So yummy. Oh. So then, what again have we got in the hamper? Yes. Da 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 da. Let's see what is inside, okay? Let's see what is inside. Hey. Hey. What? 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 This is a Zara gift card. You don't mean it. You don't mean it. What? Oh, no. Why? Don't fall. Oh, darling. What? Wait. This is too much. Oh, £100. What? Why do you do this? Why do you do this? Thank you, darling. Thank you, darling. Oh, look how happy I am. I'm just blushing. You can see. You can. What? £100. Available amount. Wow. Wow. Why? Come on, why? I know you'll be watching this. Why? Why, sis? Why do you do this? Why do you do this? This is too much. Come on. And once again, the goodies keep coming. We've got card as well. You've got card as well. You've got card as well. Oh, happy birthday, Obaje. So, darlings, here, you know, my channel's name used to be Obaje. Yeah, Obaje is my name, and yeah, I changed it to Berthasglobe Globe because the Obaje, you know, a lot of my other, you know, how do I put it? Most of them didn't know how to pronounce it. Yeah, they go like Obage, Obage, like, you know, and it wasn't sounding okay for me the way I wanted them to, you know, mention my name. So I did change it to Better's Globe. Better's 2 is my name. So yeah. Ha! Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Let me read. Happy, it's your birthday. You are one of a kind with a unique heart, a real gem. I admire your tenacity and strength. You are just a superwoman. I'm really grateful for your life, and I just want you to know that you are loved and highly cherished. I pray that the Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face to shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord lift up his countenance upon you and give you peace. Numbers chapter 6, verse 24 to 26. Much love. Oh, darling, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, God bless you, okay? And a big amen to all these prayers. Yeah. Oh, oh no. Wow. 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 Darlings, I don't know, I'm blushing. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. I will see you in my next. Until then, I love you all, but always remember, God loves you more. See you in my next. Thank you.